TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 68. You get the NASDAQ off 64. S&Ps are down 12.5. Gold contract trading down $20 at $12.55. And remember, most of that was yesterday, folks. Gold closes at 130 pit trading, and that's how that number gets established. Silver down 42 cents, $16.71. You get platinum down $14, $9.23 an ounce. Copper is flat at $2.56 a pound. Light sweet crude down 21 cents, $44.51 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 9 ticks, 126.26. 30-year note down 13, 156.16. Both notes and bonds, one topside, did an additional ABC structure on the way up. And what you have with the price projection inside the notes, you get 128.20. In the 30-year, you're talking about 159.30. So big numbers. King dollar. King dollar came off the bottom yesterday, had high volume at a low, rejected the low. Higher today, you get the volume contracting. We'll see whether it can hold price. Right now, King dollar's up 524 ticks, 97.445. The euro's trading at 111.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.5 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. What you have is this. We went sideways yesterday in the S&P. You did have an expansion of volume as you got the slightly lower price. Bottom line, today's going to be a big day to see, will the volume expand? And when we're talking about expanding, you need volume about 100 million. You're going into the downdraft that was created on the 9th. The low of that downdraft is 241.95. We had done 132 million shares. Right now, we're at 10 million shares. We reached a low today of 242. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials, what you have inside the Dow. Dow reached an all-time high yesterday. Bottom line, you're still at those highs. You're down $57, but that's also sticking at highs. The NASDAQ Composite. So, Composite going right after the B point of a potential ABC structure on the way down. We hit 61.12. 61.10, folks, is the B point of this potential ABC structure on the way down. So this is going to be a big day volume-wise inside the NYSE. Right now, you get 272 million. We go look at the NDX 100, the three Qs. The B point of a potential ABC structure on the way down is 137.47. We hit 137.63 today. Now, what's going to be intriguing is this. If, in fact, it holds at this level, and you're still down, like, say, $1.50, $1.25 inside the Qs, what that's going to be all, and you do get an expansion of volume. What that's going to be about is that you're going to come into tomorrow, which is quad witching, which, bottom line, you can get some heavy volume, number one, even in the summer, and more than likely you're going to go right after that B point, and we'll see whether they get the volume. It's 104 million shares that you need in order for a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Gold contract. They took gold apart yesterday. Bottom line, gold is holding the 1250 level. We'll see whether it can hold it all day. Bottom line is that what you have is this. We're at 1255. 1261 is where I'd like to see it get inside of. What's stopping its dead in its tracks is where we had a sign of strength on the 17th of May. That's when gold went from 1240 to 1264. Silver, same type of setup. Bonds, notes, they still are saying, guess what? Large ABC structures on the way up. We blew out the highs yesterday. Monster volume on the way up. You get anemic volume on the way back right now. Right now you're at 736,000 contracts. We went topside yesterday with 2.4 million contracts. And good old King Dollar. It's a big day for King Dollar out here. We'll see whether it can hold price. Right now it is holding price. We're at 97.515. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.